gorgeous Elle Ferguson in her home. Thank you for having us. It's been so fun going through your beauty cabinet.
Hey, thanks for coming. We had a good
Oh,
play.
yeah, so many fun things, and you should see the flat layers we've created.
I know, I can't wait to share it with you guys. How long has it been since you were there?
Almost 5 years.
5 years, new house.
That's right, new house. Elle was one of the first people we featured on the site.
Yes, and I was in a studio apartment in Bondi Beach, and we all tried to fit in my tiny
It was
studio.
so immaculate though.
Yeah.
It was like, I was like, everything was styled up. I didn't have to do anything. I just walked in. I was like, shoot that, quick, stop, don't.
And I've grown up.
You have, but everything is still perfect. And I was like, I can just go home now. My job is done. I don't even have to style
I'm
anything.
glad you guys were here. It's been fun.
No, it's been so good. So I just said to you, what would your 5 favourite beauty things be that, you know, if you had to pick 5?
So if I was stranded on a
Yeah,
desert
the
island,
old desert island trip.
with 5, it would have to be number 1, my Elle Effect tan kit, because I can't look life's better when you're brown. So that's my kit that I can't live without. The next one for me would definitely be the Dior Joy perfume. I love perfume, and I love Dior, and I think we were talking before about how scents mean different times in your life, and this one for me I wore when I got engaged, and it just makes me happy. So Olay, I have been using Olay ever since my mum used to use it as oil of Olay, and her skin was just, she never wore a lot of makeup, she was flawless, and I used to actually steal her Olay. So and I remember it, and so the smell reminds me of my mum. Another thing that I kind of am always known for is my blonde hair, and I think there's a lot of blondes out there that don't know the power of a good violet shampoo and conditioner because it takes out the brassy tones. So I'm really excited to be kind of working with Tresemme on the relaunch of this violet shampoo because I've always, I throw a lot of orange in my blonde, and I find that a good violet shampoo takes that brassy tones out. So these are super good in the shower. Speaking of hair,
Oh, this is the best.
I can't go anywhere without a curling wand. The curling wand is my best friend. I have numerous curling wands. I have them for all countries. This is the GHD.
Okay.
And
Do you use the clamp, or do you just go around the
I'm the clamp. I'm not as talented not to do
And do you go from the bottom, or?
I probably do everything wrong. I literally just...
Do you do little bits like that, tiny bits?
I do whatever there's actually no method in my madness. It's like a good hairspray.
Yeah.
I'm that lady that's
So you go at the end, spray.
Yeah.
And then to revive the curls, because you kind
Brush it out. You've got to brush your curl out. And just dry shampoo, and then I'll just tone my front bits.
Well, that's perfect. Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
So you can take all of these, and then we'll see you walking down the street with a little
I'll be
elephant.
like Elle. I'll be like, what is that?
Oh, there she is.